welcome back to my channel. You guys know what it is time for. It is time for one of my favorite unboxing videos. It's the Nick box. I absolutely love the Nick box. It reminds me of my childhood. I used to be so obsessed with Nickelodeon when I was a kid. And then finally it's starting to come back. I'm finally starting to see all my old favorite shows like the Rugrats and Doug and all that stuff. I just got Hulu, so they have a lot of that stuff on there. But I ended up subscribing to a year subscription to the Nick box. And now it is a little bit pricey. It does come 4 times a year. I think it's like a $50 box, but I do have a referral link below for $10 off if you guys decide to get a box. I absolutely love it. This is the winter box. I don't know what's in it. I mean, it's a Christmas box, or winter, but it looks like it's just a refrigerator. So you got the front of the refrigerator. It's got Reptar on Ice, the Mr. Tasty from Pete and Pete. Then they got like Hey Arnold and Rugrats. Then they got the back of the refrigerator with some slime. And then again, Rocco's, and then I think this is from Ren and Stimpy, one of those commercials. So I'm ready to just dig in and open it right away. So we're just gonna open the flap and voila! Here we go. I am so excited for this box. Now, I love Nickelodeon. I've been trying to find Nickelodeon stuff. I collect the Nickelodeon Pop Funkos. I have a couple of them. I'm asking for some for Christmas, and they have some coming out soon. I have Nickelodeon pants. I got Nickelodeon shirts, so I'm just obsessed with it. But here is the card with everything inside. I don't want to see what's inside because I like to be surprised, but I absolutely love this. So here they give you a pin. It's called Influenza. It's like spelled differently. Enamel pin set. So you got the 3 different phlegm. Guys, I remember watching this when, you know, Rocco gets sick, and there is a Pop Funko where his like nose is all drainy. But these guys are on it. So I'm not a big fan of the pins. I don't really do much with the pins, but it is kind of cute. So got the 3 pins from the Rocco's Modern Life. I'm just gonna have to tear this apart. What is this? What is this? It's a Good Burger, but it's got Ren and Stimpy on it. I don't know what that is, but it's got Ren and Stimpy on the tag, but then the bag says Good Burger on it. So I think it's like a little like storage bag to put stuff in, or it could be a pillowcase. I don't know. So that's kind of cool. Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order? Yeah, so that's kind of cute. It's a nice little bag just to put some stuff in it. This is perfect for like if I want to put my camera stuff in there to go. So we got that. Ooh, what is this? They usually give you a shirt. And the last 2 shirts I've been kind of disappointed in. But, okay, they did screw up. They did screw up with the tags because this tag has Good Burger on it. So I think they screwed up on the tags, but I got an apron, you guys. I've always wanted an apron. Oh my goodness. This is that toast guy from Ren and Stimpy. Sorry, you're going to see my pajama bottoms, but, and you're going to see my baby belly, but it's a cool apron. I've always wanted an apron, and I got one, and it's actually a good size. I mean, this is perfect. Perfect. Even if I wanted to, like, have my son wear this to cut his hair, that is perfect. So you got Mr. Toast, man. I'm sorry, but this part just kind of cracks me up with, yeah. But I love it. I'm definitely going to wear this when I make cookies and start baking and stuff. I've always wanted a real apron. And my phone's going off, so I got to go pick up my kid in a couple minutes, so. Okay. Sorry, I got a little excited over my little apron. Okay, so here we got the wild thornberries, and they're called Jolly Good Sardine Socks. I love socks. I'm obsessed with socks. So here's the box. It's like a sardine can. And they say the wild thornberries, and they are fish sardines on it. That's kind of cool. I'm not into sardines. I think they're kind of gross, but I'll still wear the socks because they are Nickelodeon and they are silly socks, and I love silly socks, so Voila. Look at that, you guys. Awesome. I'm so excited. I'm so wearing those. Oh, this is so cool, you guys. Magnets. I love magnets. We got Hey Arnold and why am I forgetting his Harold? I'm like, why am I forgetting his friend's name right now? So we got some magnets. We got Arnold as a banana and Harold as a strawberry. Awesome. I'm so going to use these. I love it. Love it. Love it. Now here is Rugrats. And it looks like... Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. It's like a little Rugrat bag, which you could use as a pencil holder, or I could put some makeup brushes and stuff in there. But inside, you guys... Oh, you guys have no idea how excited I am. I'm so into making cookies right now. And we just made Christmas cookies and it's already like... My thing's not going because the tag's like stuck in it. But they gave me cookie stamps. So I can make round circled cookies and stamp faces on it. So we got Angelica, Chucky, and Tommy. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so cute. So basically what you do is you just put the little handle in there, then you put your little stamp thing on there, and now you can stamp it. That is awesome. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, I want to make Nickelodeon cookie. Now I gotta find Nickelodeon cookie cutters. That is so cool. And then it comes with the little bag to put them in. The bag's not the greatest, but hey, that is awesome. Rugrats is one of my favorite things. And I still got more stuff in here. So here they usually give you a vinyl figurine. I actually really like this figurine. It's Mr. Tasty from Pete and Pete. I remember watching Pete and Pete. But it looks like there's a stand in the back for him to stand on. But I think that's super cute. I really like that. I think it's really adorable. I'll probably put him on my little collection shelf. I take these out of the box. I don't keep these in the box. But that is awesome. Really like that. Now here is... It says Reptar on Ice, and if you guys ever seen one of the Reptar or one of the shows, they do have like a musical of Reptar on Ice where she sings and then they dance. But we got that, and it's making noises. It is a kitchen timer, which I've actually wanted to get one just because my son needs timeout every once in a while. But they came with like a little plastic cover. I love this. I mean, it's plastic. It's pretty much all plastic, but hey, that is awesome. I absolutely love this. This is so cool. So we got that. And now there is just one more item in here. It says the Good Burger Squishy Burger. And I love squishies. Let's see how squishy this is. Oh my god, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Then it just squishes. It's a fast rising one, so it's not the greatest. It does have it has a little bit of a smell to it, but that is cool. This is perfect for us to play, you know, if we want a burger to play in the kitchen with my son. I really like it. Yes. Love it. And then inside they have where it looks like you're in the refrigerator, so they got why can't I think of the dog's name all of a sudden from Rocco, but that is what is inside the box. I think by far out of the 3 boxes I've gotten so far, this is my favorite box that I've gotten. I really wanted a kitchen timer, and why not go nostalgia on that. I really like the squishy because I can play, you know, we can play kitchen with my son. We got that. I'm just going to put that back in the box. I really like the vinyl figurine. It's something different, you know, and I love ice creams. I just had ice cream just before I finished or made this video. We got the 2 little magnets for that. The Rugrat cookie stamps. We got the cool socks. I mean, socks alone are like 10 bucks, you guys. If you think about it, just buying these are like 10 bucks. The squishies, to get one of this size in that squishy brand's like 10 bucks. So, got that. And then the apron, I absolutely love. I'm not a big fan of the photo, but it's a perfect size. I really like it. It's kind of got that silk feeling to it, but that is awesome. And then we got the Good Burger, like, little bag holder thing. And then we got the pins. The pins are probably my least favorite thing, but I think they give you pins in every single box, to tell you the truth. But all that for 50 bucks, I think is a pretty good deal. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed it too, please let me know by giving this a thumbs up. If you guys want to get your box, you can still get the winter box, or you guys can wait till the winter ones sell out. These do sell out, and you can get the spring one, which is pretty much almost a couple months away. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what your favorite item was too, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.